Today I am going to tell about any number with series of 9, how to do this type of multiplications. Most of the competitive examinations, this type of problems will become NTPs, RRB and banking examinations. So any number multiply with series of 9s. Any number multiply with series of 9s. This type of problems, if you do by using general method, it will take more time. So better to do speed maths. Okay, Vedic maths. How to do this type of problems? So I will tell. So we have three types will be there in this series. So suppose 5, 4, 3 into triple 9. This is type 1. 5, 4, 3 triple 9. This is type 1. Second one is 5, 4 into triple 9. Third one is 576 into 4 nines. So here any number multiply with series of 9. For type 1, 543 into triple 9. Here this number having digits 3, this number also having digits 3. Number of digits is equal. First case. Second case, number of digits 3 here, number of digits 2 here. This is different. Here number of digits 3, type 3, this is number of digits 4. So these three models, any number into series of 9, this type of problems. Before solving this type of problems, you should know what is base and what is complement. For studying Vedic maths, you must know what is the base and what is the complement. So first you should be learn this. So first you should know what is the base. Suppose I have a number 4. This is a single digit number. I consider this, for this number I consider base 10. Single digit number. This is base 10. So what is the complement? How do you notice what is the complement? So I have a 4. For getting 10, how much you should add to 4? For getting 10, how much you should add to 4? 4 plus 6, 10. 6 is the complement. 6 is the complement. Suppose I have a number 8. 10 is the base. How did you get complement? 10 minus 8? 2. 2 is the complement. Suppose I have a big number. 5, 4, 54. So here 2 numbers will be there. 2 digits will be there. So 2 zeros will come. Base will be 100. Base will be 100. 100 minus 54. 100 minus 54. So 36 will be base. 36 will be base. Suppose I will give a big number 962. Here 3 digits will be there, so I consider the base 1000. So what is the complement? How do you, for small numbers you can tell easily the complement. For 962, this is a big number. How do you tell? 1000 minus 962 you can do, you will get complements. So instead of that, easy technique I am going to tell to you. Suppose I have 962. For finding 962, complement you are going to find out. So this is 9, 9, 10. So complement. For 962, for getting complement, 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 2, 8. So 38 is the complement. 38 is the complement. So clear this. How do you find out the base and complement? Some more examples we are going to do. I have a number 374. For this number, how do you find out the complement? How do you find out the complement? Very simple. Subtract these three numbers from 9. Last digit must be subtract from 10. This is 9, 9, 10. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 4, 6. 626 is the complement. 626 is the complement. Suppose I have a number 648. Tell me the complement. 9, 9, 10. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 8, 2. 352 is the complement for 648. So how to find it the complement there? If you know the complement, and you can easily solve these problems. Any number in the series now within a fraction of second, 2-3 seconds you can do. So first model I am going to tell. Pay attention here. Type 1. Type 1. 5, 3, 6, 8 into 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is the problem. This is the type 1. Multiplication of series of 9s, type 1. Type 1. So 5, 3, 6, 8, 4 9s. Here number of digits 4, number of digits 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of digits 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of digits 4. Here also 4 digits, here also 4 digits. For this, we have a procedure. Pay attention here, very clear. So first subtract minus 1 of the first entire number. 5, 3, 6, 8 minus 1. You will get 5, 3, 6, 7. Next, you should find the complement of this number. Last digit must be subtracted from 10, remaining all with 9. Remaining all with 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 8, 2. So this is the answer. See, 5368 into 9999, subtracting you will get 536 and 4 632. This is the answer. Within 2 seconds you are completed. If you do the general multiplication, take more time. So 1, 2, 3 problems will do. You can easily understood. So I am taking one more example to you for this type 1. 7, 6, 2 into 999. So directly one step you can do. Directly one step you can. First subtract minus 1. 762 minus 1. 761. Next subtract from 9. First digit, this is 10. So 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 2, 8. Within single step you are completed. So now I am going to tell, I give 3 problems. You can do your own. Okay. So one more 5, 8, 6, 7, 9, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you write 7 9s. 7 9s I have written. 8, 5, 6, 7, 9, 3, 2. 7 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to do this type of problems within fraction of seconds? First what is the pay attention here? First subtract entire number from minus 1. Subtract minus 1 this number. 8, 5, 6, 7, 9, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. This is the first step. Subtract minus 1. After that you should subtract from 9 except this last digit. So 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. Last digit must be subtracted from 10. Don't forget. 10 minus 2, 8. So clear this, I think. Type 1 clear everyone? Okay. So like this you have to do. Within fraction of second to 4-5 seconds you can complete this type if you know the technique. Okay, clear? Now moving on to type 2. So see here 3, 6 into here number of digits is 2. Here number of digits is 3. So how to solve this problem? This type of problems. This is also same thing as type 1. Here 3 digits will be there. Here 2 digits will. Let us keep here 1 more 0 here. Same first type. Type 1 how to do already you know clear. So like that only here simple change. Subtract first this entire number from minus 1. 36 minus 1 how much? 35. Next write the complement of these 3 6. So 9, 9, 10 for better understanding. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. This is the answer. One more problem I am going to tell. 5, 7 3 into 4 nines. So here 3 digits will be there, here 4 nines will be there. 3 digits will be there, 4 nines. Here not visible both, I think. So here I will write one more problem. So here see 8685 into 999, 4 nines, 5 nines I have written. Here 1 2 3 4 digits only. Here 1 2 3 4 5 digits. How to solve this type of problems? So here only 4 digits will be there. Here 5 digits will be there. You keep 0 here. You keep 0 here. Okay. Now 5 digits and 5. For first number should subtract minus 1. So 8685 minus 1. How much? 8684. Then subtract. Then write the complement of this number. So 9 9 9 9 10. Okay, last digit must be subtract from 10. That you must remember. Okay, 9 minus 0 9. You should be right. 9 minus 8 1. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 8 1. 10 minus 5 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. One more problem. You can clear very easily. Suppose 99 into 576. 576. You write here one more 9. Here 4 digits will be there. Here one more 9 you write. Here 5 digits will be there. 1 2 3 5 digits will be there. Here 3 digits will be there. So you write 2 digits extra. Write same number 576. 576 into same this 1 2 3 4 5. So first number subtract from minus 1. For 576 minus 1 you will get 575. Next write the complement of this. Write the complement of this. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 7 2. Last digit must be subtract from 10. 10 minus 6 4. This is the answer. So type 2 completed. I think everybody clear this. Type 2 completed. Same as first one. Type 1. Just subtract from 1. And how many digits are there you see. How many extra digits are there? That digits you write here. 2 is there 2. 5 extra digits there. 5 zeros you should be right. So 576 minus 1 575. So write the complement of these 5 digits. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 6 4. So this is type 2. First type 1, type 2. These two are very easy. Now we know type 3. Type 3 only more important. You should be listen carefully. Type 3. Type 3. 5 6 2 into double 9. 562 into double 9. He said number of digits 3. Here number of digits 2. So there is no equal digits. There is no equal digits. So we cannot do this. First type 1 is not possible. So you here 3 digits where it is there, you keep 0 or it is wrong. You could not do like this. Okay. What to do? Here two nines will be there. Here also 2 you take group. So 562. 5 next number. 5 plus 1 6. Okay. First to write the complement of this. Okay. Subtract 562 minus 6. 12 minus 6. 6. Here what is the number? 5. Here 5. Now write the complement of these two numbers. This is 9. This is 10. 9 minus 6. 3. 10 minus 2. 8. This is the answer. So once again repeating, I am telling you here 562 into 99. This is our problem. Here number of digits is not equal. So here don't keep 0, that you remember. So 562, write the group here. 62 and 99 is the group. So 562 except to 5. So 5 adding plus 1 plus 6 you write. 562 minus 6, you will get 556. Next write the complement of 62. 9 minus 6, 3. Last digit subtract from 10. 10 minus 2, 8. So like this. 2-3 problems will do. You can easily clear. Five eight six seven into 999. 5867 into 999. Here 4 digits will be there. Here 3 digits will be there. So don't keep 0 here. So this is very important. Listen carefully. Pay attention here. So here 3 digits will be there. Here also 3 digit group. For getting complement, you are taking group here. 5 next number is 6. You should subtract from minus 6. 5867 subtract from minus 6. Always remember 5 next number. 5 plus 1. 6 you should write here. Subtract from this. 5867 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 6, 8, 5. Next write the complement of this 867. 9, 9, 10. Write 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. This is the answer. 5861133. So next number I will take 86 into 999. So here 2 digits, 3 digits. So keep 0 here. Keep 0 here. No, sorry. 3 digits and 2 digits. Here 2 digits, here 3 digits. This is type 2. Don't do like this. First 9, 6, 8 into 99. So here 3 digits will be there. Here 2 digits will be there. So group first. Next 9 next number 10. You should subtract 10. 968 minus 10 minus 958. Next, write the complement of 68. 6 complement 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 8, 2. This is the answer. So clear. 3 problems will be given. 3 types I have noticed. I told you. I think you are very clear.